Alright, folks, here comes Amtrak train number 14, yo, Starlight. This is the northbound train. He is going to Seattle at the Oakland Coliseum station. I hope this music does not copyright my video played at the Coliseum. So, looks like either a P42 is leading on or an ALC 42. Looks like a P42 DC leading on 135 and ALC 42 345. The 5 set. Okay. Here comes your Amtrak code Starlight number 14. This train would divert over to the middle track. Here he comes. Let's watch and see. Yep, he just now diverted. He's gonna be on that middle track right there on the side of me. $135 leads off. 135, 345. Alright, folks, there it goes. He's on his way to Seattle. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Coming up next is the Union Pacific MROMI. Once he gets the green light signal on track number 3. Bye-bye.